After June 1st, gum and most candy will be subject to sales tax. The key phrase being most. Some candy is exempt, and separating what is and isn't is becoming quite a chore for stores and candy makers across the state. KXLY4 Sally Showman has this story.
Dave, this peanut butter brittle that I'm holding right here, famous around Spokane, will soon cost a little more. Starting June 1st, Bruttle's Brittle is a taxable item, but not everything that Bruttle's candy shop sells will be taxed.
Our pretzel rods are not taxable because they have pretzels and that has flour.
Flour is the key ingredient that determines if candy will be taxed or not. All candy with flour is exempt. All candy without it is taxable. Right now, the owner of Bruttle's Candy in Spokane Valley says she's experiencing a paperwork and accounting nightmare, recording every single item her store sells. She says the flour tax exemption seems arbitrary and just complicates things.
And it's hard to explain that to people when, gee, this item is taxed and it's not. To me, it's either candy or it isn't, and it's taxable or not.
If you have a sweet tooth, you're going to need a spreadsheet to figure out your favorite candy and if it's going to get more expensive. The Department of Revenue has released a 150-page spreadsheet. On it is a list of 3,600 types of candy and if each one will be taxed. I printed out just 35 pages of that spreadsheet. For example here, gummy snakes are taxable, but on the next page you'll see that licorice is exempt. The candy will be taxed at 8.7% around Spokane. You can get a news link to see all of these taxable items on KXLY.com. Live in the newsroom, Sally Showman, KXLY4 HD News.